सुपर टीन्स चैनल में आपका स्वागत है और यहाँ पे आप सीखेंगे फाइनेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस और एआई एंड लॉट्स ऑफ माइंडसेट आल्सो। टीन्स कैसे अपने लाइफ को कंट्रोल में लेके आ सकते हैं एंड अवे फ्रॉम डूम स्क्रोलिंग, अवे फ्रॉम games and gossip and all that, and focus on growing and learning and developing high income skills for their future. So let's enjoy this video. What you sell is a product. Listen now, that what kind of business is what you can sell? A product. Now let's say this is a product. Okay, this is a product. This is a product. This is a product. Okay, ये प्रोडक्ट भी है, बट इसके अंदर जो वाईफाई है वो क्या है? सर्विस, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट. Product can be physical, product can be digital. And what you can do is trading. So these are the 4 things you can sell. So what is a product? Anything which is physical is a product. Anything which is a digital product is a digital product. And then anything which is recurring service. जैसे मैं अभी सिखा रहा हूं, I'm teaching you, I'm doing a service. It's not tangible. Services are not tangible. The company, the car, the guy who comes to your house and cleans your maybe clothes and vessels and sweeps and all those maids, they are doing service. The guy who comes to your house and sells you a cup of coffee, like this cup, is a product, right? Sometimes you have a digital product, sometimes you have a physical product. Let's say this product, this service, let's say this boot camp, I'm going to record this and I put that in your membership library. That means it's a digital product. It's not a physical product, right? You can watch it again, replay recording. That's called digital product, physical product, services, and trading. What do you mean by trading? Let me show you what is trading. Blinkit. What can you talk about Blinkit? Let's say you order something on Blinkit. What does it do? It does not have its own product. Yes or no? So it's basically trading. आप वहां से लेके आएगा और आपको देगा. और दूसरा, इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट प्लस अ सर्विस. वो आपको क्या सर्विस दे रहा है कि आपको खुद लेने नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, वो आपको भेज देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू ऑर्डर मैगी नूडल्स ऑन ब्लिंकिट. सो इफ यू गो टू द शॉप एंड बाय, दैट मीन्स यू आर बाइंग फ्रॉम अ ट्रेडर. बट इफ यू ऑर्डर ऑन ब्लिंकिट, Blinkit is providing the service of you not going there, but sending you out home. So Blinkit is basically a trader also and a service also. वो यहाँ से लेता है और आपको देता है और आपका टाइम बचाता है जाने का. It saves you time of traveling or going to the shop, and it charges you a service charge. You know, there is a delivery charge to everything you buy on Swiggy, Zomato. That's the service charge. The person who comes to your house and delivers, they have to be paid, right? उनको salary तो मिलना चाहिए. That's how they make money. This one is a product. Yes? Yes or no? Okay. इसका video book भी है. What is that? Digital product. You can watch the video. My YouTube channel is a digital product. Right? My Instagram is a digital product. Right? So those are the things. But YouTube channel pe I teach stock market. That's a service also. Digital product plus service. Trading. It's not my product. It's not a digital product. It's not a service. It's just one product of somebody else. I sold it. Right? I sold it for a profit. So अब आपको समझ में आ गया ट्रेडिंग क्या होता है. स्टॉक्स में भी हम ट्रेडिंग करते, स्टॉक खरीदते फिर बेच देते हैं. वो हमारा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, स्टॉक मार्केट का प्रोडक्ट है. बट ट्रेडिंग कैन बी डन इन लॉट ऑफ अदर वेज, राइट? सो लेट्स से आपके पास आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, उसको अपना मोबाइल बेचना है, ठीक है, और उसको पता नहीं है कौन खरीदेगा सेकेंड हैंड मोबाइल, और आपके पास और एक फ्रेंड है जिसको खरीदना है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, यहाँ से खरीदा, इसको बेचा, and you keep like a margin, like a commission, like a 500 rupees. He sold it for 10,000, you sell it for 11,000, you put 1,000 rupees, and he says, that's a trading, that's a trade. Now, going back to this product, Service, digital, trading, what is it for you guys? What are you going to do? What is the best thing to do at this stage of your life? Because आपके पास प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए, फैक्ट्री चाहिए, मशीन चाहिए, ये रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए. तो प्रोडक्ट मैं नहीं बना सकता हूं, राइट? तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? मैं डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट बना सकता हूं. हाँ, मैं अपना यूट्यूब चैनल कर सकता हूं, मैं टीचिंग कर सकता हूं, मैं वीडियो बना सकता हूं. क्या मैं सर्विस कर सकता हूं? हाँ, जैसे मैंने बताया, आई कैन क्लीन द साइकिल्स, आई कैन क्लीन द कार्स, आई कैन टीच चैट जीपीटी, आई कैन टीच सोशल मीडिया सर्विस, एंड आई कैन डू ट्रेडिंग. किसी के पास कुछ है, वहां से मैं लेके यहां पे बेच सकता हूं. लाइक यू गो टू there are wholesale markets. जैसे मैंने बताया, one thing you can do is geographical trading, geographical arbitrage जिसको बोलते हैं. What do you mean by geographical arbitrage? Is basically, जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये कप यूएस में मिलता है, और फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जाम्पल, शायद इंडिया में भी मिलता है, बट यूएस से मैं लेके आया तो वहां पे $20 का था, यहाँ पे मिलता ही नहीं है. तो दैट मीन्स आई कैन चार्ज $30 or $40, because those who want to buy, they will not go to US to buy the cup, right? But they can pay me $20 more, because that will save a lot of time, and plus they get a product which is good. So I do geographical trading, which is US से लेके मैंने यहाँ पे बेच दिया. But it's not necessary कि always आप US जाके करो. Let's say you go to a wholesale market, right? You go to a wholesale market, which is like, say, if you are in Mumbai, you go to Crawford Market, and then you get certain things very cheap, right? Cheaper price. Then you come in your house, in your society, in your thing, that, and you can sell it for a premium. Like, वहां से आपने 100 रुपए में खरीदा, यहाँ पे आप 120 पे बेच सकते हो. That's a geographical lag. क्या वहां wholesale market to retail market, US market to India market. You buy something from Dubai and sell it here because it's not available here, right? That's how things work. Now, Tesla is so expensive in India. Why? Because it's not manufactured in India, it's there in US. It's a brand outside. Tesla is so expensive versus a Maruti. Why Maruti is so cheaper? Because Maruti is produced in India, manufactured in India. So whenever it comes from other countries or other places, it becomes expensive because the travel cost है ना. फिर वहाँ पे जो manufacturer है वो wholesale to Indian dealer to, so the chain becomes longer. The prices become expensive. That's why. Now again, one more example. Are you guys clear on what we have? Product, service, digital, trading. And you can do 3 out of the 4. What is that? Digital product you can do, services you can do, and you can do trading, right? The best thing to do for you right now, out of this 3 also, is service. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. And also join our Super Teens WhatsApp community, where we are going to give you continuous updates on how you can keep up with the ever-changing world, especially in the world of AI, and your teenager will remain ahead in that.